Welcome to Synthesys AI Voices. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a voiceover from a text script using AI voices. This is the app dashboard, and to access AI voices, you'll have to click on AI voices here and then click on Explore. This is where all the action happens. So I'm going to add a text script out here. Now, I'll show you how to choose a voice actor. All right, by default we have Ian here, but if I want to choose a different voice actor, I can click on Ian and click on add actor, or the other method is to click on show all here. So let's click on add actor here, and this is the screen where you get to see the entire list of voice actors available in AI voices. We do have a few filters available out here. Like language, we support 150 different languages. You can select the language of your choice. Then we have the gender, so you can select between male or female. So for example, if I'm looking for a female voice, I'll select female here, and all the female voices would be shown here. Okay, so now the third filter is the voice age filter. If I'm looking for a young sounding voice, I can select youth or middle-aged or elderly, depending on what kind of voice you're looking for. So I'm going to select youth and middle-aged for now. Okay, then we have the mood filter. So you can use the mood filter to narrow down on voices which sound either playful or warm or mature, powerful, etc. So we have a long list of moods out here. You can choose any one of them depending on the content you are creating. Then we have the content type. So depending on the content that I'm creating, it can be narration, or it can be educational videos, or it can be audiobooks, or whatever. You can choose the content type out here, and the voices which are known to be good for that particular content type would be displayed. Okay, so for example, if I choose narration, all the female voices that are known to be good for narration would be displayed out here. Then we have the voice type. We have two types of voices available in AI voices. One is premium and one is ultra lifelike. So premium voices are also extremely good, but ultra lifelike voices are extremely high quality voices which sound very real life. So for now, I'm going to leave it alone. And for this particular demo, the first voice that I choose is Arya. Okay, so now once you have selected the voice there, you'll just have to click on the voice here and then select Arya from the drop down. Now, the best part about AI voices is it allows you to introduce multiple voice actors in a single voiceover file. So now what do I have to do to add another voice actor to the script? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on add paragraph, then click on add actor, and this time I'm going to choose a male voice actor, right? So I'm going to choose Guy and click on add. Then from the drop down, I'm going to select Guy and add the next part of the script here. Okay, so now before I go ahead and render this voiceover file, a few things that I wanted to show you. There are a few controls provided here. You can control the speed of the voiceover. You can control the pause or pauses in the voiceover file. So by default, you have a 0.1 second pause between sentences. But if you want to introduce a longer pause, you can control it from here. So for example, if I highlight this particular sentence, and if I want a longer pause to be introduced, I'll just move the slider to the right side. Okay, and you can see here the pause duration changed from 0.1 seconds to 0.7 seconds. Okay, so for now, I'm just going to select the sentence again and bring it back to the default. Okay, this is how you can control the pauses. This is the pitch selector. So if you think that the voiceover is sounding too high pitched, you can control the pitch from here. You can lower the pitch or increase the pitch using this button. So let me show you how exactly it works. So I'll have to select a sentence first. All right. And then if I increase the pitch, it would be highlighted in green. You would get to see that, okay, you know what? In this particular section of the voiceover, I have increased the pitch, right? So I'm going to go back to 1. All right. Now, similarly, we also can control speed. So for example, if I want to increase the speed in which this script is narrated, I can do that using this slider as well. Okay, so by default, it's at 0.5 x. I can increase it to 0.6, 0.7, 1x, up to 2x it can be increased. Okay, so I'm just going to move back to 0.5. Now that we have set everything here, one more thing, one more feature that some of the voices in AI voices have is the style. So you can choose from different styles available out here, ranging between chat, customer service, narration, newscast, cheerful, empathetic, angry, sad, etc. Okay, so depending on the style options available for that particular voice, you can choose any one that works for you. Now just make sure that you have clicked at the start of the sentence, and then you can click on play.
Video ads should be engaging and entertaining for your viewers. It's also important to make sure they convey your message effectively.
You also want to ensure that your video ad is creative and tells a story that will resonate with your audience. With AI spokespersons, you can create video ads that are both engaging and effective, and they can help you boost your conversion rates.
All right. Now that you've heard the voiceover, it is time to actually save the voiceover project and download the voiceover file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Save Project out here, and then I'll click on Download. Add a title to my project. Now, we do have two options to download. One is integrated, which is the most commonly used option. 99% of users actually use this option. However, we do also provide an option to render each sentence individually. Okay, so if you select integrated option, the download would be a single MP3 file. However, if you select the by sentence option, the download would be a zip file containing multiple MP3 files. Okay, so I'm going to select integrated for now and then click on download. And you can see here MPG audio, which is MP3. So I just have to click on select, and my download is completed. So this is how you go about creating voiceover files from text scripts using AI voices. Thank you so much for watching.